Recently, the largest cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, rose to more than $62,000 in trading value. The price swings of cryptocurrencies are erratic, attracting both investors and cyber criminals. Since its inception in 2009, there have been numerous hacks and heists reported on both cryptocurrency exchanges and crypto wallets. Welcome back to another episode of Quick Finance. We won't tell you what to do with your money, but we will equip you with the best information available to make your own smart choices and become financially free. Remember, an investment in knowledge always pays the best interest. Subscribe to the channel now, so you never miss any of our latest and greatest videos as soon as they're released. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at how to keep your crypto secure. Let's get started. The threat to your digital currencies is mainly through cryptocurrency wallets, digital wallets, or exchange providers. A crypto wallet does not store your digital coins, but it holds a private key, which allows you to trade cryptocurrency online. This private key is your digital identity to the cryptocurrency market, and anyone who gets hold of this can perform fraudulent transactions or steal your crypto coins. Cyber criminals use sophisticated techniques to compromise digital wallets and steal/transfer crypto assets without the user's knowledge. Securing your wallet is essential when it comes to protecting your digital currency against cyber attacks. Here are some of the ways to secure your cryptocurrency. 1. Use a cold wallet. Unlike hot wallets, cold wallets do not connect to the internet, therefore, they are not prone to cyber attacks. Storing your private keys in a cold wallet, also known as a hardware wallet, is the most viable option as these come encrypted, keeping your keys secure. In 2019, the Japanese exchange 𝐦𝐤𝐤 discovered an unauthorized withdrawal of $32 million from its hot wallet in different cryptocurrencies targeting more than 50,000 users. The exchange held 5 cryptocurrencies in its hot wallet: Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Ripple. However, 𝐦𝐤𝐤 clarified that its cold wallet and cash holdings were not affected by the incident. 2. Use secure internet. While trading or making crypto transactions, use only a secure internet connection and avoid public Wi-Fi networks. Even when accessing your home network, use a VPN for additional security. A VPN changes your IP address and location, keeping your browsing activity safe and private from threat actors. 3. Maintain multiple wallets. Since there is no limitation for wallet creation, you can diversify your cryptocurrency investments in multiple wallets. Use one wallet for your daily transactions, and keep the rest in a separate wallet. This will protect your portfolio and mitigate the loss of any breach to your crypto account. 4. Secure your personal devices. Make sure your personal device is up to date with the latest virus definitions to defend against newly discovered vulnerabilities. Use a strong antivirus and firewall to improve your device's security to avoid hackers from taking advantage of the weakness by writing code to target the vulnerability. 5. Change your password regularly. We cannot underrate the importance of a strong password while talking about security. According to a study, 3/4 of millennials in the US use the same password on more than 10 devices, apps, and other social media accounts. It also stated that most of them were using the same password in over 50 different places. Make sure you have a strong and complex password, which is difficult to guess, and change it on a regular basis. Use separate passwords if you have multiple wallets. Opt for two-factor authentication, 2FA, or multi-factor authentication, MFA, for additional security. 6. Don't get phished. Phishing scams via malicious ads and emails are rampant in the cryptocurrency world. Be careful while making crypto transactions, and avoid any suspicious and unknown links. In a recent cryptocurrency heist, a hacking group CryptoCore targeted cryptocurrency exchanges via spear phishing campaigns. Attackers stole cryptocurrency worth $200 million in 2 years, targeting companies in the US and Japan since 2018. 𝐥𝐤𝐤𝐞 stated that CryptoCore initiated a reconnaissance phase to identify the email accounts of the cryptocurrency exchange's employees and security executives before conducting a spear phishing attack. These attacks were performed using fake domains impersonating affiliated organizations and employees, and by embedding malicious links in documents via emails. The cryptocurrency industry is constantly evolving, and it is your sole responsibility to protect your digital funds by securing your wallet with essential safety precautions. Update yourself with the latest security news, attack techniques, and prevention strategies. And with that, we've reached the end of this video all about how to keep your crypto secure. Do any of you guys hold any crypto? What steps do you take to keep your crypto safe? Get involved and let us know in the comments section down below. If you enjoyed this episode and found it helpful and interesting, remember to leave a thumbs up before you leave. Also, subscribe to Quick Finance and click the notification bell so you're always up to date with our latest releases. As always, thanks for stopping by and watching. See you again soon in the next one.